Hey guys, Sparky here, and welcome back to Pokemon White 2 Challenge Mode, and I just found a Max Repel. Now, there's not much to do around here. It's mostly just in this game to show off what some changes that have happened since the events of 2 years ago, when Black and White take place. So, I'm not gonna really do anything in here. Now, maybe if I ever play Pokemon White on this channel, I'll come back to this game and show you guys the differences. So, but for now, I'm just gonna head over to Route 1. It's kind of weird. Route 1 being the final route available in a game. Hello. You're heading for the Juniper Pokemon Lab? Are you? Won't you have a bit of fun first? Okay, so what Pokemon do you have? Alright. 4 Pokemon. Backpacker Jill. Almanite. Does she have fossil Pokemon? Is that her thing? Alright, close combat. Alright. That's good. Alright. Archeops! Yeah, it is fossil Pokemon. That's her thing. Okay. I'll switch to Mary. Alright. How do you have a more powerful Archeops than Champion's Archeops? I'm just realizing how weird that is. It's like a random trainer in Route 1 has a more powerful Archeops than the Champions. Alright. That's now Anorith. Alright, I'm gonna switch back to Rio. Alright, hit it with another close combat. Wait, what? Weird. Oh well. What type is Anorith again? I think it's rock and something. Alright. Shield on. I know close combat's super effective on it. Since it's rock and steel type. So that means it's got sturdy! Come on. Woo! Okay. Just finished things off with Psychic. And it's using Endure. Of course it is. You're just wasting your time, dude. Alright. Defeated Backpacker Jill. You're not an opponent one could defeat without trying. Okay. Well. Alright, let's see what this is. It's not a no. Alright. We can beat this up real quick. It's some good experience. Nice. Alright. Pokemon? Is your Pokemon's HP alright? If there's room in your bag, I'll give you this. Put it in your medicines case. Okay. Wow. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'm guessing that guy has, like, the other fossil Pokemon. So, does this guy... 2 years ago, a trainer from Avima did some amazing things, including battling Team Plasma and saving Unova. I was the one who told that trainer that wild Pokemon are hiding in the tall grass, and that you can battle or capture your wild Pokemon there. So you could say that I'm one of the people who saved Unova too. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's some good dialogue. Right. Where is... Okay. Okay, Ultra Ball. Got it. Okay, so that was a Farfetch'd. Not sure if that's rare in this game or not, but... eh. Boop! Backpackers are exactly what they sound like. They set out on their own with only the packs on their bag. And the Pokemon in their Pokeballs. Okay. So I'm guessing this guy has the other 4 fossil Pokemon. Being the choice 2 Pokemon. Yep. Kabuto. Okay, close combat. Nice. Alright. Carcosta. Keep battling. Or Carcosta, whatever. Close combat. Super effective. There are too many water rock type fossil Pokemon. People talk about how since is like 3... No. Dang it. People, as I was saying, people talk about how since there's like 3 fighting fire type starters, or does that, there was too much of those. But the thing is, I don't think it's as bad as how many water rock type fossils there are. I understand that every fossil before Gen 8 was rock type. But you could still make the argument that there were too many water type fossils. You can still make the argument that there's 2 water type fossils, because they introduced 2 in Generation 8. Being Octrovish and Dracovish. Alright. Enough of my rant about water type fossils. Signal beam? Nice. Oh! Okay, stockpiling. Alright, so let's just power gym. Alright. I wish I could pack some wins in my backpack too. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go heal because Rio. Alright, let's battle this guy. Oh wait, did I already battle this guy? I think I already... Or maybe he wasn't a trainer in the first place. it's gonna be kind of embarrassing when I watch the video back and see that I had already battled him. Okay. Well, let's continue. Oh, wait! Rio is already at a good level. So, well, he's one of the highest level members, is what I mean. Okay. Okay. So, we're here. The last location, and we'll be in Juniper Pokemon Lab. Okay. Hello, Professor Juniper. Why, hello. Oh, thanks for coming clear. You're out here. It's surprising how far our Novum town is from Esperdia City. Don't you agree? Did you take Skyro Bridge and encounter a lot of Pokemon? On that note, how's your Pokedex coming along? Can I see it? Let's see. Oh, you've seen 237... over 200 different types of Pokemon. This world is filled with so many Pokemon interacting with one another. Keep up the good work. I have something I'd be delighted to give you if you met at every Pokemon registered in the Univers Pokedex. Check every corner of the Univers region and for Pokemon. Do your best. Okay, you know what? In this video, I am going to do something that I didn't think I would do. And I'm not gonna just go in and do all that because I don't think that would be fun. So I just want to show you guys what you can get. Okay. I think this is the first time I've opened my Pokedex. And, yep, as you can see here... Oh, it has them all in their shiny form, huh? Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, every single Pokemon. Alright, so, yeah, it doesn't matter. But, what I am gonna do is show this to Professor Juniper. Hi there, how have you been doing? How was your Pokedex coming along? Can I see it? Yeah, let me see. You've seen 301 Pokemon in the Univers region. See how many I would have had to encounter? All Pokemon in the Univers region. Congratulations. Now here's your next challenge. See how many of those Pokemon you can catch. I'll keep evaluating for you. Seems likely you're meeting Pokemon at a good clip. Here. This is a gift to thank you for all your hard work. Alright. The permit. If you have a permit, you can go to the nature preserve from Mistralton City Plain. Go check it out to see what kind of place it is. Alright. Keep up the good work. Now, let's go there. Alright. This is Mistralton, blah blah blah. Okay. Oh, that's a permit. That lets you into the nature preserve, which is far, far away from the Univers region. Would you like to go to the nature preserve then? Yes. Okay, we will contact Skyla. So please board the plane and wait. Why does it have to be Skyla who flies me? I do not trust her. How many times do I have to say this? She is a sociopath. Alright. Looks like we have to. Get away from me. Okay, so, the nature preserve. Now, this is an interesting place. There are some pretty rare Pokemon here. Are they good? Mostly not. Like, I'm pretty sure the most common thing here is... Oh, an Altaria. That's pretty good. But, pretty sure the most common thing here... Yeah, you got the Pokeball by the name. Is a Dunsparce. Which, I like Dunsparce, it's just not good. Oh, there's a Kecleon too. You're embarrassing me, you random encounters. Okay. But, what's real there is the highlight of this place. The shiny Haxorus. Guaranteed. Alright, I'm gonna save right here. Alright, let's go ahead and catch it. Go! Shiny Haxorus. Alright. Level 60. Mold Breaker. Okay. It's weird that it's level 60 considering the fact that by now I definitely have Oh. Well, that stinks. No! No taunting me! Alright. It keeps using taunt. Right, come on, don't use taunt. Don't use taunt. Don't use taunt. Okay, Swords Dance. Swords Dance is fine. Swords Dance, it's fantastic. Okay. Thunder Wave. Okay, it's faster, but it's using Swords Dance again. I really hope this Haxorus doesn't sweep my team. Because that would be pretty bad. Thunderbolt? Alright. I'm not gonna risk another one. I'm not gonna use a repeat ball. I was tempted for a second because since the cheat makes it to where it seems like as I was saying, since the cheat makes it to where it seems like I have every Pokemon repeat balls always would work, but I'm gonna send out Duke. Hopefully Flamethrower doesn't do too much. Okay, Haxorus is paralyzed, can't move. Come on, Flamethrower, don't do too much, please. Yes! Perfect! Alright. Let's just start chucking Dusk Balls. Alright, come on. Come on. Dang it! Alright. Dragon Pulse. Okay. Wait, it doesn't even know a physical attack? It was using Swords Dance earlier. Come on. Come on. Yes, yes. Yes! Haxorus is ours! Give a nickname to the card Haxorus. This is so weird now. Having it registered to the Pokedex. Okay. I'll name her Halbert. Okay. Well, looks like we've got a shiny Haxorus. And I think that's a good place to end the episode. See you guys in the next one.